everybody, welcome to Country Girl with Kathy Jarvis. And it's almost February. And there's a lot of things that you can do with gardening without actually going outside in the winter. And there's some things that you have to go out for. So some of the things that I need to get done in January and February mainly. January is almost over. But worked on seed inventory, get that. Figure out what you have left over from last year. Look through seed catalogs, decide what you want to plant this year, and order those seeds. If you haven't done so yet, you need to really get on the ball with that. But when you order your seeds, do some research and find out what the seeds that you're looking at, what type of feeding they need, what type of soil temperature, what type of anything that they need, trellising, anything. Learn that before you go out and buy the seeds, because a lot of these are either you can buy bush beans or you can buy pole beans. Some need trellises, some don't, so you need to know ahead of time what you need. So check those out. Make your garden plan. Make sure you have room for all the plants that you want to the new ones that you want to try, and draw that plan out. Make sure it works. Do your research on that too. Then go and check and see, do you have everything you need? If it needs trellises, do you have those trellises? If not, now's the time to either make them or buy them. Same thing with row covers. Do you have enough of them? Are they in good shape? Have you checked them out? Your shade cloth, is it in still good condition? Or do you need to be getting a new one? This is the time of year to do that. Also, if it is pretty outside and you haven't prepared your garden's beds, now's a good time to get the weeds off of them and make sure they're ready for the spring planting. Also, it's time to spray fruit trees. Prune some of them. You have to do your research and find out which ones need to be pruned and which ones don't. Blackberries and raspberries, they need to be taken care of. If you didn't do it last fall, get those done before they go from the dormant stage into the growing stage. Also, make sure you have everything you need to start your seeds inside if you're going to do that. And then it's time to start some of those seeds in different areas. Like in my area, I've already started my petunias and my pansies and my impatiens, my broccoli, my cauliflower, what else I start? Broccoli, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. Got those started. I plan on putting them out to the garden in about March or so with the covering over them to protect them. These are the cool weather crops that can take a frost. Get those out early so they have time to mature before they go to seed. And then it'll soon be time to start with the warm weather plants to get them on the heating mats inside. So make sure you have everything you need for those. It's time to, if you have time and it's pretty, go out to your garden shed and organize it, straighten it up, sharpen any tools, clean your tools, do an inventory, make sure all your tools are in good shape, and if you need to buy new tools, now's the time to get those done. So those are the things that are on my list of what I'm going to be doing in February. So hopefully that's helped you make a list, prioritize it, and remember, dream big, follow that dream. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, everybody.